Good afternoon, everyone. So let's start with our discussion for this afternoon. So the lesson is about the differences in social differences in exceptionality, non-exceptionality. So same as to articulate the target or our objectives is for you to be able to learn different observations about cultural variation, social differences, social change, and political identities. No. So at the end, we have to appreciate the diversity that exists among different individual groups, comprehend differences with an open mind, as well as treat others with kindness and love. So I wanted to, this will be your activity on the next meeting that we have. So, balikan nyo to. Review an existing community policy or program about people with exceptionalities or people with different nationalities. Revise an existing local policy or program or draft a new one to fit the needs of your chosen subject. So, pumili kayo ng mga tao na you knew that they are exceptional or something is different or not within the normal of the different, of these different people. Now, answer the question, what factors make people with exceptionalities and people with different nationalities feel excluded in society? What can society do to help people with exceptionalities feel that they belong? And what can society do to make people of different nationalities feel at home whenever they visit a country with different culture? Now, before we proceed to this activity, I want you to imagine if you are going to prepare something for school, uh, fix yourself, you create your breakfast or your snack, and then you walk or ride in a vehicle for you to be able to get to school. I want you to imagine yourself doing this if you were blind. How will you manage to do all these activities without your sense sight? How are you going to cope up? Is it easy or is it difficult? Now, I'll give you a task or assignment after imagining those things. I'll send it to our GC. Now, for the term disability, it is a term that refers to the interaction of an individual's health condition with environmental factors that cause difficulties or hindrances in performing activities and interacting with others. So you can recognize some people afflicted with a form of disability, either a physical or mental. Now, this term disabilities are considered as part of exceptionality or non-exceptionality. Blindness mentioned in the situation can be acquired, possible to be acquired by humans. So another one is for the hearing condition. Ako, meron akong ano, on the left side of my ear, medyo mahina ang aking pandinig. So, or impairments, or some people have intellectual, social, and mental processes that hinder them for normal growth and development. So sometimes this can uh, be seen to impair the ability of a person to perform or function properly, 'di ba? So for disability, nahihirapan siya na magbasa and it can stop or hinder or it can have an effect to his intellectual development. Now, for the exceptionality, it is a concept that describes how an individual's specific abilities and functioning, physical or intellectual, different from the established average type of uh, average or typical qualities. So it describes a functioning of a physical or intellectual or behavioral of a people who have the deviate higher or lower in form. So for example, ito yung mga super genius or below, di ba? Below the average of a person. Now, this encompasses also the disability in behavioral or emotional. So, may mga ganong context na tinatawag. So, sometimes it's a gift or talents. Sometimes naman it's a learning disability. So, sometimes there are some people you can observe as dyslexic or uh, dyscalculia or they have different developmental delays or intellectual disability or autism, emotional and behavioral disorders, communication disorders, yung stuttering or yung may speech delay, hearing disability because of deafness, visual impairments or lack or loss of vision or blindness, and sometimes yung mga, ang tawag dito, sometimes those who are um, yung mga lumpo, yan, orthopedic impairment or nagkukos ng traumatic brain injury. So the concept of non-exceptionality is used to differentiate between these two, those with the exceptionality and those who are considered normal or non-exceptional. Now, why do we have to understand these things? Now, this is part also of the cultural variations of our society because being a member of society, labels are describing different types of people, diba? They are constructing the society and culture of one's individual. So this means that the society sets definition or standards or criteria who is exceptional or who is not exceptional. Now, it is order or grouping the people, di ba, for different terms or different contexts. So they are sometimes called gifted, they are talented, they are dyslexic, diba? Ito yung type of those who have autism or those who have spectrum, different spectrum. So uh, they were labeled by our society. Now we have to understand that the label that are seen in one society used to refer people affect the lives of these people in general. Now, we have to have our repercussions in using this label because otherwise than that, we can create stigma, stereotyping, and discrimination among these people. Now, the labels may only seem harmless in names, but it attach connotations or different and varied meanings to others. Diba? Assumption to form or describe group of people having the same label yung halimbawa, mentally challenged. Kaya nga, ngayon hindi na ano eh. Ngayon homogeneous na. Dati, uso yung sectioning. Pag section 1, you are the brightest. And if you are in section 13, you are the lowest. So, hindi na ganun yung ginagawa. So, homogeneous, halo-halo na sila. Diba? Para maiwasan yung stereotyping and discrimination. So another case is for those who have autism, because some children have a specific ability which they are excelling. So sometimes they are superior with the use of their memory, yung mga skills nila, eh, their arts, their inclination to music. So, ganun. Marami silang na nakukuhang nakukuhang ah, stigmatization or label. Now, the labels, if they are attached or people who discriminate in that society, sometimes it can affect how this disabled individual create a chance for a living or for them to be able to yung makasabay sa kung ano yung normal ng lipunan. Kaya nga, the government encourages, especially also the Department of Education, I know they are already into promoting and helping yung pag-aaral ng ating mga children with special needs. They have to be identified. Kasi mahal ang magpa-aral sa ganitong klaseng exceptionalities or yung tinatawag nating labels, 'di ba? So, pero merong mga may mga restaurant or may mga employers na tumatanggap ng yung may mga physical disability as well as autism once that they were developed already. Now, society must ensure that people with exceptionalities will receive benefits from individualized assistance, support, and accommodations in school and community settings. So may mga ano na yan, may mga batas para dito sa mga additional ah, needs. Yung mga PWD, yan. Meron silang mga benefits na nakukuha. And there were establishments or organizations that cater to the needs of the exceptional, and they become the priority. They become the priority of our society. Now, based on the lesson, what should be stopped and what should be continued as well as start? Now, I want you to answer again this one, and let's meet again on the next meeting Thursday. I think I can do this or discuss this on Monday. No, Monday. As well as answer, check your understanding. Now this will be checked. I want you to do this, but we will check it on Monday. So that's it. Goodbye for now. Grade 11. I hope that you were able to learn something for this particular lesson.